Did you know that you can open files and folders with just one mouse click in Windows? Yes. Normally, we will be using clicking it, and then even to open it, like we will be double clicking it. Yes. Also, to select anything, we will be selecting the folder, and then we will be using the shift button and then click here, and then totally these guys will get selected. But when you turn on this options, this will work in Windows 11, and you just go on click single click one. I'm using the second option, and when you okay it, you will be using only one click to open any folder. Yeah, and then even to select anything, you are just hovering it. When you hover on any single folder, you don't need to click, and it will automatically get selected. Yeah, I'm just hovering it here, and I'm pressing the shift button, and then uh, when I keep the mouse a little longer on this folder, it gets automatically selected. I'm using only one key, the shift button here. Yes, however, it's not perfect. You may accidentally open the files if you misclick, and it's not ideal for a drag and drop work or design software. So, single click works best for browsing, reading, and everyday use, but not for heavy editing or technical work. Yes, try it once and keep it only if it matches your workflow.